Yes.
The cleansing rains came.
Glorious.
The sun's out. Bike path all sanded over.
Serious rain. Premium.
We'll take it. Bike path should be back tomorrow. Blowing out here. Getting our workout. We go down to Muscle Beach, smoke it up, work it out. Top side first, see what we see. Pretty quiet though. Be assured, things will be pumping tomorrow. Hopefully everyone will be well rested. Oh yeah, it's blowing. Alright, we'll save some footage. Catch you in a bit. We got bike path wiped out. Impressive. Nice lake. Keep it herbal, homies. Smoke one morning, noon, and night. Stays in. Oof. True blower. Coming down from the north. Nice setup out there. Can't argue with the DIY pioneers. Tough people. What a day, what a day. There he is. What's up, bro? Good rain, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
It's weird.
Oh, now it's blowing, yeah. No bike path today. Yeah. We're out here. Quiet one. Go to find shelter. Everybody will be back soon. Get some music tomorrow for sure. Come on down, guys. Venice Beach, endless summer. We got our power wash, so we're frosty now. We're shining, glammed up. Trusting blower. Speed metal sand pier. And yes, if you're in the area, Saturday we are having a party for Rudy Rude Boy's birthday. Hit us up, we'll let you know where and when. Party Saturday, jacket sale Saturday. Drying out, time to dry out. Homies down there on the bluff. Just all our human fam. Support each other. Keep it herbal. Support Mother Earth. She'll support us, always does. Trust the universe. Ride your bike. Active. Get the mind going, quiet the mind, chill out. Whoa! It's a blower. Wind's estimated at 30 miles per hour. Whatever that is, 12 knots, who knows? Not I. Alright. Shack there. That's how you do it. Where are those falling palm fronds? A-frame lean-to. Sticker gang. Guys, we'll catch you down here in the VB. One love. What a day.